Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Bogna is vlogless again on the V2, and I am finally out after a couple weeks of storage for the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. We're out here at Turtle Rock, and I am ready to roll. Got a little dirty road ahead of us, but I figured I would shoot you guys a little video, give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on. Maybe shoot you a little bonus ride because I'm feeling good today. This is, I think, almost day 6 of riding straight. I've been riding the Ducati Multistrada V4 S all week, and I have to say, sure, I'm happy to be back on the Street Fighter. Makes me really appreciate this bike. But yeah, so kind of a lot's going on. If you guys didn't see my little live stream midweek, looks like, well, I'm going to be opening another business, so we're in the works of that. And so I know a few of you guys have expressed some interest in kind of seeing the process, so I'm actually going to go ahead and start another channel, not to take away from Cali Moto TV, and bring you guys along the process of everything that I'm doing. And yeah, so if you guys want to follow me over there, I'll be sure to link that channel in the near future. But thank you guys for your support. And so the Street Fighter is just, I just absolutely love this bike. I am just beyond myself on this thing. I can't tell you how much I love it. But we may have some interesting information coming up. Got a text late last night from a gentleman who we might be bringing some stuff to the channel. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. You guys keep your fingers crossed for me, because it's going to be a very good opportunity for you viewers and Cali Moto TV in building motorcycles. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Of course, smash the like button and then ring that bell notification. But the RS660, we have kind of been this week was kind of a weird week just because I was trying to film as much content as possible with the Multistrada. So now that's gone. You'll see most of that content roll out. If you guys are interested in the Multistrada, be sure to head over to that playlist and check it out. But the RS660 has been kind of on hold because the parts that I have are all the performance parts. And as you guys may know, the RS660 guys, we don't have a tune for that bike yet. And my scene online was kind of, we shouldn't put the exhaust on until we get it tuned. But I did talk to Victor down at Moto Club, and they just threw on the SC Project on their bike, and they said it runs pretty decent actually. So I don't know, I may throw it on. I think we might be getting close enough to a tune that it will make sense. So we might start doing that. I'm also been waiting for the availability with Shiv to get that thing over to the dyno, because I want to dyno that thing again. Animal. I want to dyno that thing again, and then I want to install the velocity stacks and then dyno it again and see if we can get that 7 claimed horsepower out of it. We also have a DNA air filter that we're going to throw on it, so put that on. And then last but not least, I think I'm just going to go ahead and throw the SC Project exhaust on. And worst case scenario, I just won't ride it as much, which is fine because I've got a few other motorcycles in the collection that we can be driving or riding. But it's a little bit dirty through here. But once we get to the bottom here, get it opened up for you. Turn around at the dirt pile and head back. This is a much better soundtrack than the Multistrada. If you guys saw the bonus ride on the Multistrada, I had to throw some music in there. I watched it a couple times and I was like, this is kind of boring. So let's get past these guys, hopefully up front. We'll be right back with the bonus ride. Well, that didn't take long. Welcome back, guys. So let's listen to this thing. Head out to the dirt pile. This thing just, whew. All right, so we're gonna turn around here, wait up with Bogna, and then head back. All right, well, the lovely Bogna is back. I think we're good this way. I think most of the debris was on that side anyways, so but I'm gonna finish out my little bonus ride here. Sure. Okay. All right, well, let me finish my little bonus video here and then I'll see you out Turtle Rock. this Sunday ride. Absolutely gorgeous day. I think we're almost 70 degrees today, or it feels at least almost 70. Yeah, 68 degrees today. So a gorgeous day. Had a little bit of rain the other day, but with the weather and the sun coming out, it dried back up. But we got some rain coming this week. So, but I've fortunately enough, I have stockpiled some videos for you guys, so but definitely stay tuned for the updates on the channel. Like I said, we got hopefully big news coming. I'm hoping to hear back from Scott soon. Yeah, the RS660. I also love that bike. Like, it's crazy how much, like, this bike, it's a whole different level. Like, the hooliganness of this bike is just absolutely mad. But that bike's just such a blast to ride. Even with just half the horsepower of this, you know, this is just crazy fun. Like, this is just stupid fun. That's so skilled fun, you know. You gotta like be somewhat a little bit more focused on that bike, and you can really kind of ride that bike. I mean, this you gotta be focused on only because of the acceleration and the power. Obviously you have to keep an eye on, but outside of that, this thing is just coming in hot, baby. Sorry, buddy. A little close to the line there. Welcome back to Total Rock for a quick little buzz out to the dirt pile. I'm gonna probably end up getting this outro out before Bogna gets here, just because I was kind of smoking there just a little bit. Got some sticky back here, but thank you guys for sticking around for a quick little Sunday ride out here on the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, Total Rock, Lake Hennessey, and back. Whew. But stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure you do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification. Notifications gonna give you notifications of future content here on the channel. But thank you guys again, and we'll see you next video. Bye guys.